We're living in the most aggressive military aviation arms race since the Cold War. The United States, China, and Russia are all pouring hundreds of billions of dollars into aircraft that would have been science fiction 10 years ago. Hypersonic spy planes, AI-controlled drone swarms, sixth-generation fighters that command their own robot wingmen. Some of these machines are already operational, some are still in testing, and a few might not even be real, at least, not officially. This is our countdown of 10, the most deathly military aircraft that look like they came straight from the future. We're going from number 10 to number 1, and I promise you, by the time we get to the top, you'll understand why the next war in the sky won't look anything like the last one. Please like and subscribe to support us and watch our latest videos. Let's get into it. Number 10. XQ-58A Valkyrie. When war breaks out, reconnaissance is a crucial task, and the XQ-58A Valkyrie was created to perfectly fulfill this mission. Developed by Kratos for the U.S. Air Force, the XQ-58A is a stealthy, jet-powered USAV with internal weapons bays that can carry GBU-39 small-diameter bombs. Top speed, Mach 0.72. Range, over 3,000 nautical miles. It doesn't even need a runway. It launches from a rail system or a shipping container. The Valkyrie features a stealth-focused design with a sharp, angular fuselage. Its compact size makes it harder to detect while reducing operating costs. In July 2023, AFRL flew it with AI algorithms making autonomous decisions, no human hands on the controls. In January 2026, the Marine Corps officially selected the Valkyrie as its first collaborative combat aircraft. The Kratos XQ-58A Valkyrie costs roughly $4 million per unit. Number 9. Northrop Grumman RQ-180. The United States used a type of aircraft so secretive that for nearly a decade, no one knew of its existence. Northrop Grumman RQ-180, nicknamed White Bat, is a high-altitude, long-endurance unmanned aircraft built to penetrate the most heavily defended airspace on Earth. Estimated wingspan, roughly 130 feet. That's Boeing 737 territory. Endurance, 24 hours at altitudes above 50,000 feet. It carries AEA radar, signals intelligence, and electro-optical sensors to see everything while remaining invisible. It uses a cranked kite flying wing design derived from the same stealth DNA as the B-2 Spirit. Development contract was reportedly awarded to Northrop Grumman around 2008, with the first flight in 2010. Production aircraft are believed to have entered service by 2017. In March 2026, the aircraft was filmed landing at Larissa Air Base in Greece, one of the clearest public sightings ever. Number 8. 47. On March 2025, President Trump announced that Boeing won the Next Generation Air Dominance contract, designating the aircraft F-47. The engineering and manufacturing development deal is worth over $20 billion. This is America's first sixth-generation fighter, designed to replace the F-22 Raptor. Combat radius, over 1,000 nautical miles, nearly double the F-22. Top speed, above Mach 2. It features all-aspect, broadband stealth across multiple radar frequency bands. It will be powered by the Pratt & Whitney XA103 adaptive cycle engine, which automatically reconfigures airflow in flight to balance thrust, efficiency, and thermal management. Intended to dominate future battlefields, F-47 is expected to combine stealth, artificial intelligence, advanced sensors, and drone teaming capabilities into a single combat system. The Air Force plans to buy at least 185 aircraft. First flight is targeted for 2028, with operational capability by 2029. Number 7. Chengdu J-36. The J-36 is China's sixth-generation fighter prototype. developed by Chengdu Aircraft Corporation. It's a tri-jet tailless diamond double-delta wing aircraft with a side-by-side two-seat cockpit, 3 internal weapons bays, and a design optimized for extreme stealth and long range. It has no vertical tail surfaces whatsoever. The leading edges feature a kinked sweep with 2 distinct angles. The aircraft uses trapezoidal dorsal and lower air intakes with 3 engine exhausts embedded in the trailing edge. By January 2026, China had flown 4 separate J-36 prototypes, an unprecedented pace. The second prototype showed major design changes, including angular thrust vectoring nozzles, while the third and fourth pushed further refinements. Cost estimates suggest investment exceeding $20 billion to $30 billion. If this aircraft reaches production, it directly challenges the F-47 for next-generation air dominance in the Pacific. Number 6. SR-72 Darkstar. New York to London in 30 minutes. That's the design target for Lockheed Martin's SR-72, nicknamed the Son of Blackbird. The SR-72 is a hypersonic concept aircraft designed to fly at Mach 6, twice the speed of its legendary predecessor, the SR-71 Blackbird. The key technology is a turbine-based combined cycle engine that merges a conventional turbojet with a dual-mode ramjet/scramjet. The turbojet handles takeoff to around Mach 3. Then the scramjet takes over for hypersonic cruise. Lockheed's Skunk Works and Aerojet Rocketdyne have worked on this propulsion system since 2006. In 2014, ground tests concluded the engine could reach Mach 7. Unlike the SR-71, the SR-72 is designed to be unmanned and capable of carrying hypersonic strike weapons. A prototype was reportedly scheduled to fly by 2025, but as of 2026, no public flight has been confirmed. The program remains wrapped in secrecy. If it works, no air defense system on Earth can touch it. If it doesn't, it's the most expensive ghost in aviation history. Either way, Mach 6. That's the future. Number 5. Su-57 Felon. Developed by Sukhoi under the PAC-FA program, the Su-57 first flew in 2010. It features a blended wing body with internal weapons bays, twin AL-41F1 engines delivering over 28 tons of combined thrust with afterburner, and 3D thrust vectoring nozzles for extreme post-stall maneuverability. Top speed: Mach 2. Supercruise: approximately Mach 1.3. It carries multi-band radar, including L-band arrays in the wing roots designed to detect stealth aircraft, plus infrared search and track, and a directed infrared countermeasures system. The planned Isdelier-30 engine would boost thrust to around 170 kN per engine. Unit cost: estimated $35 million to $50 million, though real figures are likely higher. Here's the problem: production. Russia planned 76 operational Su-57s by 2027. As of 2026, roughly 32 exist, including prototypes. Sanctions have crippled the supply chain. Algeria is the only confirmed export buyer, with 6 aircraft on order. In combat over Ukraine, the Su-57 has been limited to launching long-range missiles from inside Russian airspace. It's an impressive airplane on paper. Getting it off the assembly line is another story. Number 4. Chengdu J-20. China built a stealth fighter that looks like it came straight out of a science fiction movie, and they've been mass-producing it since 2017. The Chengdu J-20 is China's first 5th-generation fighter, featuring a long, delta-wing canard design with twin-canted vertical stabilizers and internal weapons bays. It's powered by twin WS-10C engines, with the next-generation WS-15 engine in development to enable true supercruise capability. The J-20 is large, significantly bigger than the F-22, optimized for long-range interception and carrying large beyond-visual range missiles like the PL-15. It has an ADSA radar and electro-optical distributed aperture system similar in concept to the F-35's DS. China has produced over 250 J-20s and is accelerating. A twin-seat variant, the J-20S, is also flying, potentially serving as a command aircraft for drone wingmen. The J-20 saw its first deployment near Taiwan's airspace and has been photographed operating from multiple Chinese air bases. China is building these fast and in quantity. That alone changes the game in the Pacific. Number 3. F-22 Raptor. Over 2 decades after its first delivery, the F-22 Raptor remains the most lethal air superiority fighter ever built. Lockheed Martin's F-22 entered service in 2005. It was the world's first operational 5th-generation fighter, and for years, nothing else came close. Twin Pratt & Whitney F-119 engines produce 35,000 pounds of thrust, each with 2D thrust vectoring nozzles, giving it supercruise capability above Mach 1.5, without afterburner and a top speed of Mach 2.25. Its radar cross-section is estimated at the size of a marble. The F-22 carries 6 AIM-120 AMRAAMs and 2 AIM-9 Sidewinders internally. The AN/APG-77 ASA radar can track multiple targets simultaneously at ranges exceeding 100 miles. Only 187 production aircraft were built before the line shut down in 2011 at a program cost of roughly $67 billion. Unit cost, approximately $150 million. The F-22 has never been exported to any foreign nation. It was used in combat for the first time in 2014 over Syria, and in 2025 to 2026, F-22s participated in operations during the Iran conflict. Right now, the Raptor is still the king of the sky. Nothing in any adversary's inventory can match it one-on-one. Number 2. F-35 Lightning II. The F-35 is the most expensive weapons program in human history, $485 billion in acquisition costs, with a total lifecycle cost approaching $2 trillion. And yet, 21 countries are buying it. Lockheed Martin's F-35 Lightning II comes in 3 variants: the F-35A for conventional runways, the F-35B with short takeoff and vertical landing, and the carrier-based F-35C. Nearly 1,300 have been delivered worldwide as of early 2026. It's powered by a single Pratt & Whitney F-135 engine producing over 40,000 pounds of thrust. The aircraft's true advantage isn't raw performance, it's the sensor fusion. The AN/APG-81 ASA radar, the AN/AQ-37 distributed aperture system with 6 infrared cameras providing 360-degree coverage, and the AN/ASQ-239 electronic warfare suite create a complete battlespace picture no other fighter can match. Flyaway cost per F-35A, approximately $85 million in 2026. But sustainment costs remain a problem. Fleet missions capable rates dropped to around 44% by 2025, with full mission capable rates at just 25%. The F-35 saw its first confirmed combat damage in March 2026 when one was hit during operations over Iran and made an emergency landing. Number 1. B-21 Raider. B-21 Raider is America's first 6th-generation aircraft and the first new American bomber in over 30 years. It's a flying-wing stealth design, smaller and lighter than the B-2 Spirit, optimized for operations in the Indo-Pacific against advanced air defense systems. It carries both conventional and nuclear weapons, including the B-61 Mod 12 nuclear bomb and the AGM-158 JSSMER cruise missile. The B-21 uses next-generation radar-absorbent materials and advanced contouring that reduce its radar cross-section even beyond the B-2's legendary stealth, and its coatings are far more durable and easier to maintain. Expected mission-capable rate: over 80%, compared to the B-2's 60%. Unit cost: approximately $692 million to $750 million, less than half the B-2's $2 billion price tag. The first B-21 flew on November 10, 2023. A second test aircraft joined flight testing in September 2025. The Air Force plans to buy at least 100, with some officials pushing for 145. In early 2026, Congress injected $4.5 billion to accelerate production by 25%. Initial operational aircraft are scheduled to arrive at Ellsworth Air Force Base in 2027. And that's the list. From a $4 million disposable drone to a $700 million stealth bomber that might just be the most advanced aircraft ever built. These 10 machines are reshaping what air power means in the 21st century. Here's what's wild. 5 years from now, half of this list will probably be outdated. The pace of development right now is unlike anything we've seen since the space race. New prototypes are flying every few months. AI is moving from the lab into the cockpit, and the line between manned and unmanned is disappearing fast. If you made it this far, you're clearly the kind of person who takes this stuff seriously. And that's exactly who this channel is for. We break down the real specs, the real costs, and the real story behind the world's most advanced military technology. No hype, no Hollywood, just facts. So if you got value out of this video, hit that like button. It takes 1 second, and it helps us reach more people who care about this stuff. And if you haven't subscribed yet, now's the time. We've got a lot more coming, and you don't want to miss it. Thanks for watching. We'll see you in the next one.